Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to rename your Bluetooth devices. So you're going to go to settings, turn on Bluetooth, and as you can see when I click the I when we are not connected to the Bluetooth device, the option doesn't pop up. So we're going to connect our device and click I. Once that is connected, then you can rename it to whatever you would like. So I'm just going to copy it here in case I want to just quickly put it back to what it was originally. And I can rename it to whatever I would like. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go back to save the name, and for some reason that changed to my new device name that I've just inputted. I don't know whether that is a glitch or not, but as you can see, my name has updated in the Bluetooth list, and if I want I can quickly paste that back and the back button reappears for some reason. So yeah, that is how you change your device name, and as you can see I can put whatever I would like and then put it there. Just to note guys, this will not appear on any other person's device, only this iPhone or iPad that you're using iOS 14 or iPad OS 14 on will have this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.